Welcome to Prime Auto Insights, your go-to channel for high-performance car reviews, deep dives, and expert insights. Today, we're looking at an SUV that promises Lamborghini Urus levels of performance, at nearly half the price. Meet the 2025 Audi RS Q8, the high-performance beast redefining the luxury SUV market. But here's the big question. Is this the budget Lamborghini Urus or just another fast Audi? Stick around, because by the end of this review, you'll know if the RS Q8 deserves a spot in your dream garage. And if you love fast cars, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a review. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Audi RS Q8 is aggressive, bold, and undeniably sporty. Up front, you get a massive blacked-out single-frame honeycomb grille, flanked by matrix LED headlights with laser technology, the same cutting-edge tech found on Audi's flagship R8 supercar. The sculpted hood, widened fenders, and massive 23-inch alloy wheels scream performance. And if that's not enough, Audi offers an optional carbon black package, adding carbon fiber accents to the grille, side mirrors, and rear diffuser. From the side, the coupe-like sloping roofline gives the RS Q8 a sleek yet muscular stance, while at the back, you get an OLED taillight setup with dynamic animations, because why settle for ordinary when you can have futuristic? And let's not forget the twin-oval exhaust pipes, producing a symphony of V8 power. The striking resemblance to the Lamborghini Urus. No coincidence. More on that in a moment. Step inside, and the RS Q8 greets you with a high-tech, ultra-luxurious cockpit. The Virtual Cockpit Plus, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, is fully customizable. Then there's the dual touchscreen MMI infotainment system, a 10.1-inch upper display for media and navigation and an 8.6-inch lower screen for climate controls. It's sleek, futuristic, and distinctly Audi. But what truly sets this interior apart is the craftsmanship. Alcantara headliner, carbon fiber trim, Valcona leather sports seats with RS badging, this cabin oozes premium performance. Unlike some SUVs that make you feel disconnected from the road, the RS Q8's driver-focused cockpit puts you in full control. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats. Check. A Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system with 23 speakers. Absolutely. This isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling luxury powerhouse. Now, let's get to what really matters, the performance. Under the hood sits a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, delivering 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to rocket this 5,000-pound beast from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds, supercar territory. And yes, this engine is nearly identical to the one in the Lamborghini Urus, just slightly detuned. But here's where things get really interesting. Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures that all this power translates to real-world performance, offering unmatched grip in any condition. Handling. That's where the RS-tuned adaptive air suspension and all-wheel steering come in. The RS Q8 can lower itself at high speeds for better aerodynamics and corner like a much smaller vehicle. And if you're worried about stopping power, Audi's got you covered with optional ceramic brakes, delivering race car-level braking performance. Here's something crazy. The RS Q8 set a record on the Nürburgring as the fastest production SUV. It even outperformed the Lamborghini Urus in certain handling tests. Let that sink in. A family-friendly Audi SUV, outpacing a Lambo on a racetrack. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Audi RS Q8 starts at around $125,000, while the Lamborghini Urus try $250,000 plus. So, does the RS Q8 give you 90% of the Urus experience for half the price? In terms of performance, interior quality, and tech, it's pretty darn close. But if you want that Lamborghini badge, well, you'll have to pay a premium for it. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Audi RS Q8 is a true performance SUV, blending luxury, speed, and everyday usability. If you want supercar-level performance with SUV practicality, this might be the perfect ride for you. But now, let's answer the big question. Is this the budget Lamborghini Urus? If we're talking about performance, handling, and technology, then yes, the RS Q8 is as close as it gets without that raging bull badge. But if you're after the exclusivity and exotic appeal of a Lamborghini, the Urus still holds the crown. Either way, the RS Q8 is an absolute monster on the road and an unbeatable value for what it offers. What do you think? Would you take the RS Q8 over the Lamborghini Urus? Drop a comment below, and if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a review from Prime Auto Insights. See you in the next one.